Hello everybody, Helen Chin-Liu here, certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, Reiki master and teacher, and now the author of Know Your Chakras. I remember my book. Eventually I want to talk more about my book. And I'm also the owner of the Healing Place and the Healing Place Energy School. First of all, thank you very much for joining me today and subscribing to my channel. So what do I want to talk about today? Something really near and dear and something that I do every single day at work is hold space. So today in my personal life, holding space is about my family. As part of my work that I do at the Healing Place, I also do what I call bridge gapping work. For energy workers out there, they probably know what this means, but for those people who don't know what bridge gapping work is it's basically helping someone to pass over. Right now, I'm going through a very difficult situation. My 92-year-old mother is about to pass, and I'm helping her to pass over in a way that hopefully is not painful to her, but unfortunately she has an illness that is eating away at her. And even though I think holding space for family members is really difficult because first of all, you have a history. And think about what your history is. If you had a very peaceful relationship or you have a turbulent one, but there's nothing like family that could push your buttons and before you know it, it's really hard to hold space for someone. And you might be going, what's holding space? Well, it's really about being present for someone without judgment. You're probably going, how could I do that? My sister has been pushing my buttons for decades. But in this moment, it is not time to go back and rehash history. It's basically what you're doing is closure. How do you close a relationship in a way both of you feel good about the process of leaving? It's painful. And if you could do this, hold space of someone and really feel their presence, can you do it without judgment and bringing up the past and just listen to them? And bridge work has never been easy work for me to do, and I've done it several times since I've started the Healing Place since 2006. And I could do it for others, but to do it for my family members has been difficult. And here I am about to share, my brother passed away 8 years ago, and I helped him to pass over the bridge to make it peaceful for him. And now I'm doing this for my mom, who's at the end of her life cycle. So learning how to let go of judgment, resentment is key for anybody who's interested in energy work. Learning to feel them and just treat them like a friend. Does that sound weird? Because we treat friends sometimes better than we treat our family members because of the deep wound history that you have together. Holding space is really, can I see that person as they are and not what I think they are? And just feel their essence without any judgment. So when I go to visit my mom, I'm just going to feel her, listen to her, try very hard not to say anything to correct what she's saying because there's nothing like family. They know how to push your buttons. So I would love to hear your thoughts. How do you hold space for your loved ones? If you have a technique that's helped you, I would love to hear how you do it. And let's build a community of healers. So I'll keep you abreast of the situation that's going on in my personal life. But this is Helen Chin-Liu. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Give me a like. And I'll talk to you really soon because I have a tremendous amount of news that I want to share with you. Bye-bye.